What is direct variation?
Direct variation is a relationship between two variables when one increases or decreases in a proportion to the other.
Go.
The formula for direct variation is written as y is equals to kx.
Go.
Definition: a relationship between two variables typically denoted as x and y is a direct variation which can be expressed in the form y is equals to k, where is k is non-zero constant.
Stop.
Equation: the equation for direct variation is y is equals to k, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, k is the constant of variation.
Constant of variation. The k the equation y equals to kx are called constant of variation or constant of proportionality.
Of direct variation. Problem 1. If distance is varied directly as with r, when d is equal to 12 and r is equal to 4. Finally, when r is equal to 20. To find the formula, we need to know the two relationship. D is equal to kr. In missing value, we need to find the value of d when the value of r is equal to 28. D is equal to 3 times 28. The distance is equal to 20.
Drop ko na lang.
In missing value, we need to know the value of variation. So, you need to substitute the value of the variable. 12, the distance, equal to k, and the weight is 4. You need to times k times 4 is equal to k4. Ang kakalabasan, 12 is equal to k4. To cancel the 4, you need to divide by 10. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and 4 divided by 12 is equal to 3. The k is equal to 3. In missing value, you need to find the value of d while the value of r is equal to 28. D is equal to 3 times 28, and the distance is equal to 84.
If y varies directly as x and y equals 15 when x equals 3, find y when x
If y equals to kx and the constant variation is 15 equals to k3. So divided by 3, both sides, cancel. So natira is k. 3 divided by 15 is 5. Ayan ang value ng k. And the equation naman is y equals to 5x. And the missing value is y equals to 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Kaya ang value ng y is
25.
25.
Galing.
A varies directly b if a equals 34 and b equals 8, find a when b equals 8.
Is A equals to KB, capital B kasi yan yung nakalagay sa question. And the constant variation is 24 equals to K8. So, the formula number 1 divided by 8, both sides, cancel. And the is K. 8 divided by 24 is 3. Ang value ng K is 3. Equation naman is A equals to 3B. Missing value is A equals to A equals to 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Kaya ang value ng A is 6.
Number 3. If a varies directly as if e equals 40 and f equals 10, find the e when f equals 20.
Okay, for the question din naman is the formula is E equals to K, capital F. Capital L kasi yung nakalagay sa question. Constant of variation naman is 40 equals to K, 10. So, divided by 10, both sides. Then, cancel it. Natira K, then divided by 40 is 4. And the equation naman is E equals to 4F. And the missing value is E equals to 4 times 25. 4 times 25 is 100. So, the value of E is 100. Students, do you understand our lesson? So, if you understand, answer this 7 questions, formula only, and I will give you 3 minutes.